This year I worked on researching how Antarctica's climate change is translated quantitatively into sea level changes and how Antarctic ice sheets responded to a warmer climate. So I basically had to look at each of the different climate models used in Antarctica um, and research how they were being used and how they calculated the data for the climate. And while working on this project, I learned how to comprehend scientific articles and translate them into my own words to get a better understanding of what they meant. I was surprised that I was able to take in and understand all the information and data because there was a lot of it. And I remember when we were first given this project, I kind of had a negative attitude towards it because there was just a lot of information thrown at me and I just felt really flustered with it, but it all came together way better than I expected. From this project, I can take away how to write a literature review and how to interpret scientific articles into my own words. And for this project, I wish I stayed more focused and on task during the class time we got because during the final week we got to work on this. I felt a lot of pressure and stress, and there was just a lot of perfecting I needed to do. I wish I would have been able to find examples of each of the model equations so I could physically show the difference between the equations and how they were calculated. This will help me in the future because I now have some idea of how global warming works and how it affects the different parts of the world. This was a very valuable process because I know what to expect for college research projects now, and I now know how important it is to manage your time wisely.